In this lecture, we will begin the introduction to generating villages. Alright, back to Unity. Now, we should have a terrain. If you don't, again, go back to the lectures on how to create your own terrain in no time. And then click in the Unity menu, there's the town, and select the village editor. Alright, now, something you may understand here is that there are two different versions. There's the standard version and the pro version. Again, if you are on appsfresh.com, you will see that you have the starter pack that's free, and then you have the pro versions here as well. So that's what I mean by pro version and starter version or standard. Alright, so back to Unity. Now, something you have to understand is that what we need is to actually create the houses if you have the standard package. Again, if you have the pro one, you do not have to create them. They come with the software. What do I mean by that? Well, let me show you with the pro version. Okay, so this is the pro version, and something that you notice is inside of the assets folder there is a folder called village, and inside of that village there are plenty of animals like the sheep here, and balconies, beams, bridges, fences, floors, houses, and different models that are already assembled for you, like apples, doors, flowers, oranges, rocks, and so on. And you have also flags, dummies, lanterns, and a bunch of different things ready to use that do not come with the standard version, obviously, because these cost a lot of money just to create. So for those of you that have the standard version, please do yourself a favor and save some money and get the pro version. And meanwhile, what you can do is go on appsfresh.com and you can download some assets. So there are some Unity assets that you can find. For example, you have a Unity modular village here, and there's a free edition. So go ahead and click purchase, but it's free, so don't worry about it. And you can drag and drop this inside of your project, and you'll be able to use these. All right. Now, once you do that, so download and install them, I'm going to show you the quick way of creating a village in no time. So here I have the land and I have the village editor that's open, and the next thing I want to do is just click on generate. I'm not even changing any settings. I click on the generate button, and in no time, as you can see, there's this kind of roads here, right? You guys see that? And these roads are where the city will be inside of these blocks, and each different areas will be a different patch of the city. And then click on build, and automatically the build will add the cities. So if you have the pro version, in no time you will see a city very similar to the one I see right now, with sheep, trees, and all different types of villages. And something very important, click on game and click on play. Why? Because when you click on play, you can actually see everything in action. You can see the animals that are moving, as you can see here. You can see the chimneys that are popping, and you can move around with the keys WASD and see everything in action. Isn't that beautiful? You can even see the lantern here and the lights that are moving. All right, very cool. All right, so that's for the pro version. Okay, so now in the next lectures, I will show you how to customize this and create all types of villages and worlds. It does not have to be a medieval fantastic just like this one. It could be futuristic, it could be a planet, it could be historic, primitive, anything you'd like, it can be done. Just let's customize this.